In this video, we're going to show you how to add pictures or other media to your form. So we're going to start off with if we wanted to add a video to something. So you can see on the side here I have some options. Add question, title or description, image, add video, and then section. So if I click add video, it's going to say what video do you want. Video search, so you could search for it, or URL. I have my URL over here because I have a video here. Talks about favorite animals. Hit that share. Copy that. Go back here and I'm going to paste it in there. There's my favorite animal video. I click on it. It's going to put that down here. So I may move this above my favorite animal. So I might title it favorite animals. Please watch before answering the next question. So then they could watch that video before they answer this next question. I would probably also make sure any animal they talked about in here I put in here, or at least more options than I have. So then I have a video that's added in there. And then if I want to add a picture, like I can add a picture the same way and it would put it in its own section, but I can also add pictures here as some of my answers. So if I click here, add image by dog, I searched for it already, so dog clip art, so maybe I want to put a picture of a dog here. Let me find this one here. Select. It's going to load that image. It's going to put that picture below. It's going to have the word, and then it's going to have that. So again, click here, add image, search, cat, clip art. There's a cat right there. Add that, and I'll do it for each one of these real quick. Go down, giraffe, search. Sometimes it's good, especially for the younger kids, to give them a visual on what you're talking about. And then elephant. One more. There we go. So now I've added not only video but pictures to it. And if I wanted to put a photo above here in its own section, I could do that by just adding image here. But I wanted to add it into the multiple choice answers because I thought it kind of gave it a cooler look to it. So now if we want to see what that looks like, because I've changed it, I hit the preview button here, and you can see exactly what it would look like as the students got it in here. So the form is here. There it is. There's the video embedded in there. And then there are the options now. It says the word and it has an animal that goes with it. So that's how you add media like video or images to your Google form.